Hello, everyone. It's Alison here once again from learntotradecrypto.net. During this video, I'm going to give you some insights into technical analysis of of NEO. NEO used to be branded as the Chinese Ethereum, and we're looking at a potentially a 280% price move from where we are now back to retest all-time high, about 280%. You can see that from where we are right now. So what is the basis of my analysis right here? I'm using just market structure and Elliott waves and Fibonacci retracements to be able to anticipate where price is going. So obviously we know that with Elliott waves, now we can see where the price has bounced off from recently, which is, I'm going to put a line here, which was a double bottom here, at the bottom here. So we can see this bottom here and then this bottom here, and then price move from here, which is why we start to measure all the way from here. So we're measuring from here. So we had the first impulse wave, and then we have a pullback. Now, the interesting thing is that I believe we have seen the end of this pullback. The market has been in retracement for some time. So let's see here. You can see right here, we are currently at around this 78.6 Fibonacci level. So which tells me that the retracement is complete for the retracement wave 2. Okay, so around this zone here, we'd expect some action here. We're beginning to see a pin bar forming. A pin bar is a candlestick pattern saying that, you know, there's lots of buyers have come in here. So it is no coincidence that we always see a big reaction whenever we come to the 78.6 level. Okay, we want to see now some volume. Okay, you can see some volumes coming in here, but you know, some selling as well. So, and also if you want to look, this was an impulse wave 1, and then we have the retracement or pullback wave 2, which I think has now ended around the 78.6 or $34 zone. We're now having price at about $38. Okay, so what we are expecting now is for wave 3 to commence and taking us all the way up to this previous high of about $140 that we saw around April of 2021. So, but what we are going to, you know, we are not just going to fly all the way up. It's very possible, like we had here before now, but we are likely to see, you know, a push up here and a break above this resistance here, a break above this resistance zone here is here, and then price goes up of it, and then we then have, you know, a bit of a pullback into, you know, maybe price pulls up here, and we now have a pullback here, and then we now have a continuation. So it's not just going to fly all the way up just like that, okay? So it could come in waves, and then this presents you with another buy opportunity. In future, this is going to be resistance that is now going to turn into support when price breaks through it. We see this pattern all the time. So this is why I say I'm still confidently bullish about the outlook of cryptocurrency, okay? So this could be what, wave 3, and then maybe this could be the wave 5, if this is wave 4. Okay, that's how I look at it in taking us back to our previous all-time high, and potentially, to be honest, well above, because, you know, crypto is a long-term bullish uptrend, which I firmly believe it's happening. So it's Alison. I hope this makes sense, and hopefully see it as a lesson in technical analysis. And this is what I teach all the time. So this is the buy zone for NEO at this time. Let me take out some of these ones. I'll tell you what, I'll just leave it because I've tried to explain all the individual aspects of this setup. So this is the buy zone of this one, but if you are a bit more conservative, if you are aggressive, you can buy in this zone. If you're a bit more conservative, you can wait for the breakout. Let me take out the Fibonacci tool since it served this purpose, okay? So it's clearer. So if you are a bit more aggressive, you can buy in here, but if you want to be conservative, you can wait for the breakout and then buy once it breaks out of this zone here. You can buy that, you can buy the breakout and retest, okay? So that is how you look at the charts, and that is how, because I always say it is best to buy after a pullback. You have the best prices after a pullback. If you also look at this place, This has served as previous support in the past. So we're in a really good zone, previous where prices have taken out from before. So prices visiting this area is no surprise. Of course, nothing stops price from even coming down here even further. But you know that NEO is a top coin. If it happens that it doesn't break out from here, then you can afford to hold NEO, which is always my rule number one, which is only buy coins you can afford to keep. It goes without saying that you should only invest money you can afford to lose anyway. But once you made a decision to invest, you should only be buying coins that you truly believe in, coins with great fundamentals and coins that are actually solving a problem within the crypto space. So thank you for watching. It's Alison, and I hope to see you in my next video.